Following the dismissal of their petition against President Bola Tinubu at the Presidential Election Petition Court (PEPC), the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, and his Labour Party counterpart, Peter Obi, in the February 2023 presidential election, have asserted that they would approach the Supreme Court in order to challenge the decision of the PEPC. Atiku made the statement on Thursday during a press conference at the PDP National Secretariat in Abuja, where he expressed dissatisfaction with the decision of the tribunal. The former vice president, who said that he very much respects the decision of the court, however said that he would not in any way accept such decision as he believes that there was a miscarriage of justice. He further revealed that he has directed his lawyers to approach the Supreme Court by way of an appeal in order to seek redress, and therefore urged his supporters to maintain decorum. On his part, the Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi, also on Thursday at a press conference in Onitsha, Anambra State, rejected the dismissal of his petition at the Presidential Election Petition Court (PEPC), and as a result, instructed his lawyers to immediately file an appeal against the decision. Obi, who said though he respects the decision of the PEPC, however said that he is determined to follow through with the matter to a logical conclusion for the purpose of attaining justice, not just for himself, but for his supporters as well.
Yesterday, 6th of September 2023, the Presidential Election Petition Court, PEPC, finally delivered its long-awaited judgments on petitions challenging the outcome of the presidential election held on 25th of February 2023. This judgment was delivered within the statutory time frame under the extant status. We acknowledge the court's contributions to due process and seeming attempt to strengthen our democracy. As petitioners in this case, we respect the views and ruling of the court, but we disagree with the court's reasoning and conclusions in the judgment it delivered. It is my intention as the presidential candidate and the intention of Labour Party to challenge this judgment by way of appeal immediately as allowed by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The PEPC has rendered its judgment, but that esteemed body is not the final arbiter. The responsibility now falls on the Supreme Court. I do know that the judgment is not conterminous with justice. I implore Nigerians to remain focused, steadfast, and peaceful, and to abide by the rule of law and understand this matter has not reached its logical conclusion. Our legal team has already received our firm instruction to file an appeal against the decision. I shall not relent in quest for justice, not necessarily for myself, but for indeed for our teeming supporters all over Nigeria, whose mandate to us at the post was regrettably truncated by INEC. The strength and value of our democracy reside on solid national institutions and our confidence in them. Electoral litigations will almost be unnecessary and non-existent if the Independent National Electoral Commission discharges its statutory functions creditably, transparently, and with tenable fairness. When that body fails, as it did recently, thus subverting the will of Nigerian voters, the recourse to judiciary becomes imperative, as is now the case. I thank every Nigerian who has supported our cause and campaign for a new Nigeria, characterized by fairness, equity, justice, rule of law, peace, prosperity, inclusiveness, sustainable growth and development. A new Nigeria is possible and achievable. I especially thank our legal team, the Labour Party and the Obedient family, and all those who showed up daily during our court trials. God bless you all, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.
The Labour Party presidential candidate, while enjoining his supporters not to lose focus but remain resolute in the quest for a better nation, admonished that they should at all times adhere to the rule of law. He further expressed his appreciation to all for their support. Imi Salami, Vostvnews, Benin.